Welcome back. It's now time for your midday sports. Shot putter Danielle Thomas-Dodd finished 5th in the final of her event on the first day of the two-day Diamond League finals in Zurich, Switzerland today. Thomas-Dodd's best effort of 19.04 meters came on her 6th attempt in the event, won by American world champion Chase Ely with 20.19 meters. Meanwhile, 13 other Jamaicans will be vying for the US $30,000 top prize, along with the Diamond Trophy for each event on Thursday's final day. Five-time world champion Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce leads the charge in the 100 meters and is joined by world 100-meter silver medalist countrywoman Sharika Jackson and Natasha Morrison. Jackson will also take part in the 200 meters, while Brittany Anderson is in the 100-meter hurdles. Natoya Gould is in the 800 meters, and Genevieve Russell and Rochelle Clayton will go in the 400-meter hurdles. World Championships silver medalist Shanika Ricketts will go in the triple jump, and Candice McLeod and Stephanie Ann McPherson in the 400 meters. Commonwealth Games champion Rashid Broadbell and Olympic champion Hansel Parchment will line up in the men's 110-meter hurdles final, while 2011 world champion Johan Blake is in the 100 meters. Now, with an eye on a third straight win to start the Caribbean Premier League season,
it's a very short competition, so momentum's become very important, so it's good to start well, Hopefully in the middle of the competition we can take that momentum and push it.
Now the match goes off at 6 p.m. Jamaica time. Brighton's manager Graham Potter is in line to take over the coaching job at Chelsea after meetings today with the club ownership group. It comes on the heels of the sacking of Thomas Tuchel as manager after their 1-0 defeat at Dinamo Zagreb in the Champions League and 6 matches into the English Premier League season. The sacking took place face-to-face with the owners on Wednesday morning at the Cobham training ground, and Tuchel's 3 coaches are expected to depart with him. It means the 49-year-old spent 20 months in charge of the Blues, where he guided them to their second Champions League title, as well as the UEFA Super Cup and the FIFA Club World Cup. Chelsea had won just 7 of their last 16 Premier League matches, starting this season with 2 defeats in their first 6 games to fall 5 points behind leaders Arsenal. And that's it for your midday sports. Shane?